on the floor right now.
Expect guys like Josh Giab and RJ Arenal to really help in contributing to that for Muntinlupa, while Rocky Isidre, Gabe Capacio, and Buenaflor will be providing the scoring punch.
Very interesting, Chino Mosqueda facing his former team. Altamirano, left-handed scoop.
He's always been a gifted.
Altamirano quickly to Jonas Tibayan. Nagcut si Mosqueda, left-handed scoop. And stretch layup to Buenaflor. They swing it over to Gabe Capacio, who knocks down the jumper. And one thing's for sure, he'd be in his player's ear, no? Pero alam ng player niya kung anong gagawin.
And that's the strength of having a coach.
Ballesteros. Altamirano, plenty of contact, and he knocks down the three. Oop! Alex Disoyo. Are. Now with Mag-isa. Takes it strong to the rack. Edsel Mag-isa.
Drive coming from Edsel Mag-isa.
Marcos uses the pick from De Leon. Shakes off the D. Makoy Marcos using that off. Has been inserted into the game. Moralde. That's a foul. Will he get continuation? Yes, he will. Mag-isa recovers but loses it again. De Leon, and he scores.
That's where Muntinlupa will be. May 6-man pa.
Moralde ahead to De Leon. Another fast break finish.
Back to back.
Moralde. Isidre for three. That's good.
Just fluid.
Now with Disoyo. Jumper is good. Alex Disoyo.
Yeah, also another guy that.
Quezon City on the run. Yambing is open. That's a three.
Many people may know.
22-21. They go to Batak. Denied by Ballesteros. Zumbero on the stick back.
Specialty of the house para kay Jay. Support their families.
And not only that, develop professionally.
Yes.
Yambing, hang time, and the score.
He showed his out.
Yambing. Roman, the kick out. Are will attack. Are lays it in. Paing Are, extra dun sa nangyari.
And you could also think it would also cross your mind that Kenji Roman knocks down the three.
Now both players going for the ball. Dave Moralde fires a three and he knocks it down.
On the other hand, Dave Moralde, in the confidence of Brinwell Yambing after what happened, he's going to have to play through it as Zumbero knocks it down on the other side.
Zumbero
breakdown defensively that got Zumbero one-on-one against Ballesteros.
And Muntinlupa, all of a sudden, Longalong, 8 on the shot clock. Longalong, that's a tough shot, and he hits that one over. A very capable. Proving to be a solid pickup here for Muntinlupa. Marcos over Ballesteros. And he getting a breather. Final play. Oh, nice one. Law. Mosqueda, spin move. Tough shot, yes.
Okay, Rocky Isidre got greedy on that left.
Arenal. Down low. Giab is open.
You could see
for them, no, kung, when they need someone to bail them out. Michael Are knocks down the three.
You talk about shot creators.
Will take the three. That's short. Rebound ni Mosqueda. Umatake and Chino Mosqueda. Not the scrappy.
He has really practiced that floater game of his, and he gets a steal here playing the passing lanes. And here's Muntinlupa. They got another steal.
Mag-isa against Sombero. Mag-isa puts it in for 2.
You should know better.
Marcos. Moralde has the fire. That's a 3. Dave Moralde.
Yes, no straight slam that. Late niya na lang na-realize na bitin pala yung talon niya.
Ganda ng pasa. Dave Moralde, saktong-sakto para kay De Leon.
The double-digit scores for Quezon City from last season, averaging 10 points per game. But yeah, those fouls, as you mentioned.
For Sarangani, di ba?
Yeah.
Ford, quickly to Longalong. Drives deep inside the paint. And Longalong. Disoyo. Yambing underneath. Cuevas trying to carve space. He gets that one to drop. Providing the pick. Disoyo. Out to Roman. The extra pass. Salem for 3. Yes.
Badly needed basket right there para sa...
Could not make the layup. Roman with the rebound. Tebayan ahead of the pack. Tebayan will finish.
He is deceivingly quick.
Disoyo gets his own miss. Nasa ilalim si Tebayan. Yambing recovers and hits.
He needed that badly. He won.
Giap. Marcos makes his move. Pulls up. Yes. Roman had his hand up. Roman. Mosqueda for 3. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's been lacking with Muntinlupa.
Seconds to shoot. Alex lost it. Marcos on the run. Marcos drops it off to Dave Moralde. Disoyo left alone, and Alex with a quick response.
Oh, what a sequence for both squads in the...
Buti pa ako, alam ko schedule mo. Boss Monching Tarisayon, shout out as well. Hope you're enjoying the game. Marcos knocks down the 3.
Dahil nakashoot si Makoy Marcos, we'd also like to give a shout out.
Dribble. Paeng Are will attack, leaves it to Ballesteros.
Yes.
Uses the De Leon pick. Sombero, 5 to shoot. Sombero gets his own miss and puts it in. Nakatawid against Cuevas. 68 to 67. Are sees a free lane and puts it in for 2.
Earlier,
High point men for Quezon City. Kabila naman, Marcos and Moralde. And Marcos.
and this with each other, and they're just gonna be playing so well.
Yambing, plenty of time on that three-pointer.
Get over. They need a stop here, though, talking about Muntinlupa.
Are on the move. Paeng Are. Every last bit of energy from Disoyo. And then left it for Paeng Are. Mosqueda for the 2 points.
Could have gone either way.
Shot clock. Cuevas finishes on the other side. Nakawala. Chino could not get the roll. Cuevas will get the 2 points. And that's it.